Hey Leah, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for taking my call today and requesting this free video. So we're just going to go over a few things that will help you to get more visibility and to get more of those organic leads. So here we are on your website, and you have a really nice designed website. Looks like you have different pages for each of your services, which is exactly what you need. Um, you got some content. Um, Not really seeing a whole lot of buyer intent keywords though. Um, just a little bit of content about each topic, but not really a whole lot of information going on. Um, and no real keywords being used. So Google does not rank your website based on appearance. They use robots called crawlers that index your pages looking for your content. So content is key. Um, oh, it does look like you have service areas, so this is perfect. You need to have a separate page for any service area that has any type of search volume. Um, so as I was saying, content is key. Your home page should have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words going after those buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords that people are actively searching for your services in each of those service areas. They need to be location based. And that breaks down to about 1,500 words for every keyword you're trying to target. So the same rules apply for all of your, that's kind of weird. It's like a double menu of some sort. But um, the keywords and content strategy is the same for all of your service pages, should be the same for all your service pages and all your service area pages. Um, so it looks like you're doing a lot of the right things here. When we look at one of your top competitors, All Pro Restoration, they have a decent looking website as well. They have the separate pages um, for their services as well as their service areas. They are really using their keywords that they need to be using to target their customers. Yeah, there's more there. So really the biggest thing between your website and theirs is content. You need to have more content than your competitors. Um, so you're going to need to just work on your content and keyword strategy to make sure all the relevant keywords are being indexed for all of your pages. Because as an emergency services company, you want your company to be the first um, company that they see when somebody's doing a search and they have those emergencies. So, um, okay, so now this is a program we use called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how a website is performing. And as you can see, your website has a rating of a 14, which isn't too bad. And this rating is based off of your referring domains and backlinks. You've got 588 backlinks, but only a 14. So this tells me that not all of these are quality backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. So you do need to make sure that they are do follow backlinks, that they are related to your industry, and that they are authoritative. You have been indexed for 374 keywords, but you're only seeing 33 in organic traffic. Your website drives 70% of your organic traffic, so making sure that it's optimized is going to be really important. When we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 25 with 1,500 backlinks. They're being indexed for only 1,000 or for 1,000 keywords, and they're getting traffic of over 877 people to their website every single month. So you can see the huge difference of having the right content and backlink strategy is going to be to driving that traffic. When we look at your backlinks here, out of your 558, only 102 are do follows. So only 102 are going to help you rank. The other 456 aren't doing much to help you. They're actually diluting your scores. So a backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant the website is that's linking to you, the more authority it's going to give you in Google's eyes, and the more it's going to help you to rank. But it is also important that they are do follows and not no follows, because do follows share the power of those high ranking sites with your site to help you to rank faster. And then the other part of that is that these backlinks are closely tied to your keywords. So it's very important that you're using the backlinks with your keywords. But if you look through these backlinks, they're all going to your homepage. They're all branded, linked to the website. There's very few in here that actually have anything to do with any of your targeted keywords. So this is probably one of the biggest problems you're having in trying to rank and get those customers. And the last thing I want to mention is this Google Maps section, or Google My Business. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for all of your relevant keywords and each of your service areas, because 30% of people come directly to the maps and won't go any further. So if you're not in the top 3 in each of those areas, you're sending all those leads to your competitors. So it is really important to get that optimized. And you want to, in order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, but the biggest one is something called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Instagram, and Facebook. So you need to have a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow each of these tips I provided you today, your website can become #1 across Google for all of your service areas and all of your major keywords. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you do decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.